Hi, I'm GC, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to manage your website files. So what you'll need to do is log into your control panel, and when you're logged in, all you'll need to do is click on File Manager, and that will open this page for you. And if you scroll down, what you'll need to do is click the domain that you want to manage the files in. So we're in the demo, so we'll just put that in there. And your files under this domain will actually come up down here, and you can add new files, new folders, new files. You can rename, you can copy, you can move them, you can view them, edit them. You've got a code editor as well you can use. What you see is what you get editor, and then you've got change permission. You can extract files, download, and also delete if you wish. And all you'll need to do, like I say, if you want to upload files, you can do it here as well. So you would click on that, select your domain, and then add the files, and then you can upload them. Also, same with new folders, same sort of thing, add the folder, upload, so you can do that. If you get stuck and need a bit of help, click on help, and like I say, there's lots of different tabs that you can click on in here, which will just help you if you get stuck. Also, again, like I say, if you get really stuck and need some help, then click on here and you can contact the support, and you just put a support ticket in and we'll try and help you out. You can click on here as well. So you can create a FTP account if you wish, so you just click on that. There's also remote backup, so this tells you about remote backup, and you can add Google Drive accounts and Dropbox accounts, and that's all down here as well. And also in here, even though you'll find it MySQL database in here, you'll also be able to see it in here as well, all there. So anyway, that's how you can manage your files. And I hope this is helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.